Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are with another video of SSC Je Previous Year questions, and in this video we are going to discuss all the questions from retaining wall and earth pressure theories. So let us start the video without any further delay. So the question will be displayed to you on the screen. According to question, for bulkheads, which of the following earth pressure theories is applied directly? So first of all, you need to understand what exactly bulkheads means. So bulkheads are nothing but they are like retaining wall. You know, retaining wall are the structures which are used to retain soil mass, or we can say retain the back flow of soil, right? जब यहाँ से soil का flow हो रहा है तो these are the retaining walls which stops the back flow of soil, right? So similarly, bulk heads are the vertical walls. We can say I can write here for you. Bulk heads are vertical walls like retaining walls, but the retaining walls are rigid. You know, retaining walls may be made up of stones, may be made up of RCC, but these bulkheads are like retaining walls. They can be used as a slope protection material. They can be used to protect the slope, but they are flexible. Right, so they are flexible. So they are similar to retaining wall, but they are flexible materials. So the earth pressure theories like Rankine theory, like Coulomb's theory, these are not applied because these are applied only for rigid structures, but bulkhead is the vertical walls which are flexible. So these theories cannot be applied. The correct option is D, none of the above. Now coming to next question, the pressure on vertical face of the retaining wall of height h acts parallel to the free surface and from the base at a distance of, what question says, suppose I have a retaining wall, and on this retaining wall, suppose the height of retaining wall is small h. So it says the pressure will be maximum at the bottom of the retaining wall because of the depth. So here will be K gamma h. The maximum pressure will be K gamma small h. So there will be a point where the whole pressure will be acting. That point is called the point of gravity, or the center point, and this pressure is called resultant pressure. So this pressure acts as the height h by 3 from base. So the maximum pressure acting on this retaining wall is a distance of h by 3 from the base. So the question asks us about this point. So this height is h by 3. So we can say h by 3 is the height from the base at which the pressure will be maximum on the retaining wall. Now coming to the next question, question number 3 will be displayed to you on the screen. Which of the following represents expression for the passive earth pressure? You know, passive earth pressure and active earth pressure ये सारा डिस्कस किया हुआ है. So passive earth pressure according to Rankine is PA equivalent to half of K A gamma H square, right? So ये होता है passive earth pressure. और total अगर passive earth pressure बोले हम तो the total passive earth pressure will be this into h by 3. So it will act as height h by 3 from the base. Now the expression for this is, here you know K is the coefficient of active earth pressure, and this coefficient will be equivalent to tan square 45 plus 5 by 2, and this can be also written as 1 plus, oh sorry, I'm sorry, here should be P Kp. It's passive coefficient of earth pressure Kp, and it's 1 plus sine 5 by 2 divided by 1 minus sine 5 by 2. So this is the correct expression for Kp, and this Kp is a coefficient of Peso earth pressure, and this Kp is the coefficient which can represent total pressure. The total pressure is dependent on this Kp, right? So the correct option is the option in which this is available. So now the next question is, what is the value of active earth pressure coefficient for soil having in phi angle of internal friction is equal to 30 degree? So according to question, what question says phi is 30 degree. Now we have to find coefficient of active earth pressure, Ka, right? So Ka is 1 minus sine phi divided by 1 plus sine phi by 2. So not phi by 2. Yeah, exactly it's phi. I'm sorry, it's only here phi, 1 minus sine phi and 1 plus sine phi. So here is also 1 plus sine phi divided by 1 minus sine phi. Now here phi is 30 degree, so 1 minus sine 30 is 0.5 divided by 1 plus 0.5, so it will be equivalent to 0.5 divided by 1.5, that's 1 by 3. So Ka equivalent to 1 by 3 for angle of internal friction 30 degree. So remember, I will tell you guys some important relations. Ka is always equivalent to 1 by Kp. यहाँ पे Ka निकला 1 by 3, so what will be the value of Kp? It will be equal to 3. Always remember, for like examination EAS gate, you need to remember the value of Ka when phi is 30 degree. It is always 1 by 3. So remember in your mind, for angle of internal friction 30 degree, value of Ka is 1 by 3 and Kp is only 3. And always remember, Ka is less than K naught and K naught is less than Kp. So Kp is the coefficient of Peso earth pressure which is maximum, and K is active pressure which is minimum, and K naught is the coefficient of earth pressure at rest. And Ka is always less than 1 and K naught is equivalent to 1, but Kp is greater than 1. So these are the important points you need to remember in your mind. Now coming to next question, what is the assumptions made about back of the wall in the Rankine theory of earth pressure? So Rankine theory is a theory which tells us the earth pressure which is due to backfill of the soil on retaining wall, the earth pressure acting on the back of the retaining walls. Now the question says about the back of the wall. Suppose this is a retaining wall and this is the back. So this back is vertical. Number one, this back is, according to Rankine theory, it should be vertical and it should be smooth. So the correct option is vertical and smooth. Okay, so this is the correct option for this question. Coming to next question, coefficient of earth pressure at rest is given by K naught, and that is equivalent to 1 minus sine phi, right? So K naught is the coefficient of earth pressure, and this is equal to K naught is, and it is also equivalent to, in terms of Poisson's ratio, it is equal to mu upon 1 minus mu. Here is mu is a Poisson's ratio. Okay, so this was a very important question as well, had been asked in SSC Je as well as GATE, I think. So guys, this was all about some important questions, conceptual questions which had been asked in SSC Je from past few years. So if you like the video, please share the video as well. And so I want to wind up now. So from tomorrow we will be coming with awesome content as well. So till then, you take care.